finish out essentially like that. So they'll be the top of the plant. But like Cody said, if we don't continue to get moisture, we don't, 40-degree days are really going to harm these oats if they're not full of moisture. So we're hoping to see the weather sort of start to taper off a little bit. I honestly, mid-20s is perfect for these things.
Just stabilize. We don't need rain. We don't really need anything. We just need stability. And getting back to the climate change question over there, stability seems to be harder to find. And our soil is more susceptible to that.
Yeah, for sure. So no,
nice stable August would be good, and there would still be some oats to combine here in September. And
had we not seen any hail on this land, we'd probably see these fully headed out by now.
Absolutely, yeah.
Like typically on your farm they would be.
Yeah.
And another part of that too is because of the spring that we had, they weren't seeded typically as early as they would be either. And so we should, we're talking a lot about the negatives, but we run into the risk when crops get this delayed that frost comes in the fall. And so we don't want to see frost hit this crop until it's fully matured. So yeah, there's a lot of variables that come with farming, obviously. Organic farming, like Cody said, conventionals have a little bit more of a certainty to their crop. Obviously, it's still up to Mother Nature, but organic just adds another layer of complexity to growing a crop and having an income at the end of the year. So,
having said that, when it works, it can work. The first year I grew for Avena, we grew 110 bushel oat crop.
Wow.
That is, there wasn't a weed in it. You guys are all going to a football game tonight, and I liken that to the football term. The best offense is good, or the best defense is a good offense. And if you've got a beautiful stand of oats that is up this high and gets ahead of the weeds, those weeds will die. They just cannot compete. That oat is too strong, and the weeds honestly will die. So we've had organic oats less than 1% dockage because there is no weed seeds in there, because they cannot live when the oats is that strong and powerful. It can work. It has worked. We've proven it. We've done it. You don't do it every year. We might not see another 100 bushel oat crop for 10 years, and I may never see another one. But I did see one, and not on 20 acres. I'm talking on hundreds of acres.